Time, the ever-flowing river that never stops. We often take it for granted, living each day without truly realizing its value. But what if we told you that understanding the bond between time and death can transform your life? Time is our most precious resource. It's the one thing we cannot create or reclaim. Every second that passes is a second we can never get back. Our lives are composed of countless moments, each one fleeting and irreplaceable. Death, on the other hand, is the inevitable end that awaits us all. It's not something to fear but rather a reminder of how precious time truly is. Death gives time its value, making every moment meaningful. In the grand scheme of the universe, death is a natural part of the cycle of existence. It allows for renewal and transformation. Without death, there would be no room for new life, new experiences, and new opportunities. We must take time seriously. It's a finite resource, and how we use it shapes our lives. Whether we choose to waste it or cherish it, time marches on. Each moment is an opportunity to live fully, to love deeply, and to make a difference. Embracing the reality of death helps us appreciate the gift of time. It encourages us to live authentically, to prioritize what truly matters, and to find beauty in the impermanence of life. So, let us live with intention, valuing every precious second. Let us acknowledge death not as an end, but as a reminder to live a life of purpose and meaning. The universe takes time seriously, and so should we. Time and death are intertwined in the fabric of existence. Embrace them both, and you will find the true essence of life. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.